Hello everyone, welcome to DSS online class. I am your English teacher Santosh sir, and today I present with the new video of future perfect tense of interrogative sentence. Dear student, in previous you have already studied about affirmative sentence and negative sentence. And after affirmative and negative, you study about interrogative sentence. Dear student, you know well that interrogative sentence of two types. First type is yes no type of interrogative sentence, and second type is WH type of interrogative sentence. In this, you have study about yes no type of interrogative sentences. Here is the formula and rule of active voice. Active voice means in which we frame the sentence. एक्टिव वॉइस इसमें हम लोग सेंटेंस को फ्रेम करते हैं. किसका? फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस को. सो हियर इज द फॉर्मूला. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट विल और शैल अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट. सबसे पहले सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग विल या शैल को राइट करते हैं. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी राइट हैव, देन verb, third form, then object, then etc. And at last question mark, because it is a interrogative sentence. Okay student, will, shall, subject, have, verb, third form, object, and etc. And after that question mark. So student, this is the arrangement of sentence. Okay, now here formula and rule of passive voice means जब उसको हम लोग पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो क्या फार्मूला होना चाहिए, उसके लिए जो है ये फार्मूला जो है लिखवाया है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट विल और शैल अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग will or shall को राइट करते हैं. एंड आफ्टर will or shall we write object of the sentence, and then have, then been, then verb in third form, then by, then subject in objective form, and then etc. and at last question mark. So student, this is the formula upon which passive voice rests. Okay? So this is the formula, and here is some examples. If you see the examples very carefully, then you learn this formula. Okay? So first example is, will you have completed your project? In this sentence, you is the subject, completed is the third form of the verb, and your project is the object. First of all, here your project, it is a singular, therefore we use will. First of all, we write will your project have been, will your project have been work completed by, and here is the subject, and objective form of you is also you, and at last question mark. So passive voice is, will your project have been completed by you. Okay, student? Second example. Will she have sung a song? In this sentence, a song is the object, she is the subject, and sung is the third form of sing. Okay? So, here, when we convert this sentence into passive voice, first of all, we write will. Will, because a song is in singular, therefore we write will. And after will, we write a song. Then have, then been, then third form of verb, sung. And then by, and then see का objective form her, then we write her, and at last question mark. So passive voice of this sentence is will a song have been sung by her. So student, this is the formula and example of interrogative sentence, and I hope you understand these formula and examples very well, and after that we discuss the rule of WH type of interrogative. Okay. Hello, welcome back. Now we discuss the rule of WH question of future perfect tense. Dear student, WH question are those sentences that start with the WH question word like when, what, where, why, etc. Those sentences are known as WH type of interrogative sentences. Okay, student? Now we will study the formula and rule of active voice, means in which we frame the sentence of WH type of interrogative sentence. So student, first of all we write WH question word, then according to subject will or shall, subject के according will या shall को राइट करते हैं, then subject, then have, then verb in third form, then object, then etc. and at last question mark. So student, this is the formation of sentence of WH type of interrogative sentences. And after that, here is the formula and rule of passive voice. Means we convert into passive voice. This is the formula. Okay. Now, first of all, we write WH question word. WH question word को पहले राइट करते हैं. जो क्वेश्चन वर्ड एक्टिव वॉइस में होता है, सेम क्वेश्चन वर्ड WH क्वेश्चन वर्ड पैसिव वॉइस में भी राइट करते हैं. एंड आफ्टर WH क्वेश्चन वर्ड will or shall according to object. Here will or shall according to subject, but here will or shall according to object. Object के according will या shall को राइट करते हैं. Then have, then be, then verb in third form, then by, then subject, then etc. plus question mark. So student, this is the formula upon which we frame active voice, and this is the formula upon we frame passive voice of this sentence. Okay. Here is the some examples that clear these rules. ये एग्जाम्पल्स जो है इस रूल को और ज्यादा क्लियर कर देंगे, इसके बारे में और ज्यादा डिस्क्राइब करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज व्हेन वी सी लर्न द लेसन्स. ओके स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट WH क्वेश्चन मार्क. Therefore we write when, and here the lessons is the object. Therefore we write will. When will the lessons and being here, when will the lesson have been, and third form of the verb learn, इसके बाद by, then C is the subject and objective form of C is her. And at last question mark. So passive voice is when will the lessons have been learned by her. And at last question mark. And after that, here is the second example. Why will you play the music? Okay student, in this sentence, first of all, we write WH question word why, and after why we use will or shall. Will and shall यूज करेंगे. तो the music के साथ will यूज होगा. When will the music have been played, third form of the verb, played by you. And at last question mark. So sentence is why will the music have been played by you? And at last question mark. So student, this is the formula and example of WH type of interrogative sentence. And I hope you understand these formula and rules very clearly, and after that you can also make the sentence of active voice and also convert into passive voice on the basis of these rules and formula and example. Okay, I hope you understand well this topic very clearly. Okay, thanks.